Hi gardeners, this is Brandy, the Suburban Gardenista, and I'm here today with your garden trivia question for this week. And your question today relates to rose hips, and those are the seed pods or fruit that develop after a rose has bloomed. Now, what is in rose hips that made them such a hot commodity during World War II that they were harvested by the ton to make syrup to feed the military? And your options are A, vitamin C, B, natural caffeine, C, iron, or D, sugar. Do you know what's in rose hips that made them so popular during World War II? The correct answer is A, vitamin C. Rose hips contain 20 to 40 times more vitamin C than oranges. During World War II, they were used as a supplement when citrus fruits were a little harder to obtain. Nowadays, they're still used for vitamin C, and in the garden, they're really pretty, provide awesome winter interest, and feed the birds over the winter. Thank you so much for playing. I hope you had fun. Let me know in the comments below if you got the answer right. Be sure to follow along and hit that notification bell for the next little bit of garden trivia on deck. Thanks again, and happy gardening!